Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I've got a special box and it is, hey girlfriend, it's your time to shine. Get the box that delivers a seasonal mix of fun, unique and useful surprises, plus make a new connection with their uplifting digital community. And yeah, if you haven't guessed it yet, we have the AARP Relax and Radiate box, many times referred to as the girlfriend box. And this is sponsored through Culturefly, and it is a quarterly subscription, and this is their fall box 2023, and it runs $50 a quarter. And they do run specials from time to time, but they do not list them out or give them out to us, but usually you will find them on Facebook and other social media if they're having a special. Right now I don't know of any, but I will have their link down in my description, and when you go over to their website they may offer you a discount as a new subscriber. And I always tell everybody, when you go to a website and you're new, just kind of browse a little bit and see if a pop-up doesn't come up, to get your email, and then they may have a special offer for you for your first sign up. But without any further ado, we're going to look into the girlfriend box, and this is all striped out in the fall colors. I will have to say that the last fall box, I think their decor for that box was prettier. But that's okay, because we're going to get in here and see what they decided to send us. That's the main thing. When you open it up, it says the girlfriend from AARP, and you don't have to be 50 or more to get this box now. On the inside of the box, we're going to have things that's going to be decorated and coordinated all the way through with these colors. So be expecting that. And this here is our girlfriend magazine. And inside here we may have the items in here. It could also function as our product card. Right now I'm not seeing it, so I'm not sure. This is our product card. So the product card looks like this, and again we have the Relax and Radiate crate on there, and this is our magazine to enjoy. And this is a nice little brochure. We've got the editor's welcome. We've got here's to find your people in the community. They do have a community on Facebook for sure, and I'm a part of that. And it's got add light and luxury to your home. So it's going to give you a few little tips, and they've got them all numbered out. They're going to have this delicious, easy, beautiful autumn dessert. Look at that. And I don't know where the recipe is. Maybe you have to turn the page. White chocolate rainbow mousse. There it is, right there. So if you want to snapshot that, you certainly can. You may want to produce that for Thanksgiving. And then they have apple cranberry upside down cake, and that sounds good too for Thanksgiving. Here's pumpkin cheesecake bars. So if you like that, you might want to clip that as well. My fingers are in the way, aren't they? There you go. But that is our little magazine. I look forward to looking through that later. But we're going to keep on moving, and I just want to take things out of here as I see them. And the first thing that I'm seeing is a long tassel scarf, and that's right here. It's in a navy color. This box is going to have like 8 items, it looks like. And this is like a navy blue. It's not royal blue, and I would have to say it's on the navy color, and then you've got your fall colors. It's very warm, so this will be great for a cool day. It says it's a long tassel, beautiful blue scarf that will keep you warm and dress up any outfit from jeans to even a suit. This is really nice, and we'll just see how big this is. This is a big scarf. You could use this also, I think, like in the car, if you're just needing to get a little chill off. You know how you might come out of a cold restaurant or something and you just want to get warm? This would be good to take with you in the restaurant. If you get cold, it's so big you could actually put it over your legs. I am not kidding. The other day I was so cold in the restaurant, my husband went out and got one of the blankets we keep in the truck just to put over my legs, because I had wore shorts, but they had their air conditioner down so low. But this is beautiful. I just want to show you again the tassels on the bottom and the ends. And this is going to be a long scarf, so it'll hang way down. And again, you can use it to keep you warm in other situations. Now the next item I'm seeing here is some striped knit socks. And we have the girlfriend socks right here, and they have their little tag on there. And these are a nice little pair of knit socks, and they look very comfy. They are what I would consider warm boot style. Let's see what it says. A high quality and durable pair of cozy wool socks. It will definitely keep you all warm, and you could use these under boots, and it does feel like wool now that I mention it. I know I said knit a while ago, but they're warmer than knit with having that wool in there. They're very nice, and they match up with our scarf, so you would be able to dress up matching socks and scarf. And then our next item is called the Pleasant in Paradise puzzle. So we have a puzzle to do, and this is great fun to do during the holidays, and this is what it looks like, and that's what it's gonna be when it's done. You're gonna have a table full of delicious food in your puzzle to put together. And it looks like they have that smoothie, and then they have that apple upside down cranberry pineapple cake that we saw. So they used the pumpkin squares, everything that we've seen in the magazines in this box. See how they coordinate everything? That is fabulous. That is going to be so fun. And I don't know if it says how many pieces it is. It just says Dessert in Paradise 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. So that'll take a while to put together. And then the next item that I'm seeing is a Vorsi Shampoo and Conditioner Bar Set. That's right here in this cute little box. And then it's little bars, because you know a lot of them are getting away from the liquids. And this smells really good. So you got a conditioner, and then you've got the soap. Oh my goodness, and they both smell so good. I want you to take a little look at that. I don't know which is which though. I don't even know if it tells you. It only says that it's made with natural ingredients to support and strengthen your hair. So it's going to cleanse it. I can tell you it smells really good. I've never seen anything quite like that. So that's a unique item. Shampoo and conditioner in a box, in a bar actually, if you want to get technical. The next thing we have is a Laura Geller baked face and body frosting. That is right here. It's a baked body frosting, face and body glow. Oh, cool. Laura Geller's a good product. This is pretty cool. They have so many things in this box. And when you open it up, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All those different colors. Wow. It says it's infused with white tea extracts for your skin, and it's sure to give you a body glow all over. And it does have like a half mirror on one side, and just very, very beautiful. And infused with the white tea for a healthy skin. Oh, that is beautiful. Very nice. I like that. What do you think about that? Have you ever seen this from Laura Geller? Is this something new? Our next item is a fall mini magazine, which I've already told you about. And our next item after that is Wiggle Taper candles. And they are right here. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I got candlestick holders in my FabFitFun box. So this could be perfect for that. Let's see what they look like. It says Wiggle candles. And do y'all remember what color my tapery candlestick holders were? Well, you're not going to believe it. But yeah, they were green, just like this. So I'm going to be able to use these in my new candlestick holders. That's going to be really cool. There's no real smell or scent to it. It's just wiggly candles. Very nice. That is going to be so pretty for my Thanksgiving and even Christmas, because it's green. You could use it either way. That is wonderful. All right. Well, that was a plus. Now we have one more item here, and this may be, I'm not sure, maybe this is just a surprise. This here's a little sample, I think, of Glide Tone. It's not on the card. It's a C+ Advanced Antioxidant Serum, Age Defying. It is THD ascorbate, vitamin E, squalene. So that means it must have all the particles in it in order for the vitamin C to absorb. Did you know that? A lot of times you buy a vitamin C serum, and if it doesn't have all the activators, it really doesn't do any good, because the vitamin C kind of gets destroyed when oxygen hits it. But it sounds like this might be a more high-powered, age-defying vitamin C cream. Well, this is on my favorite list, even though it's a little small sample. I like that. And it was not on the product card. Our last item on the product card, we could have got one of 3 books. And this is it. Our fall books could have been The Hidden One by Linda Castillo. We could have got Fasha Alexander's, I guess, Sands and Me, I guess it says, and then we could get The Gatekeeper by James Byron. And what did I get? I got The Gatekeeper by James Byron. And The Gatekeeper says it's one of the most interesting, enigmatic, and coolest heroes to ever come across the written page. Well written, fast paced, and immensely entertaining. And then it says a taut, explosive tale with high stakes and authenticity that kept me riveted. And then it's got adrenaline charged, an action packed twist, a minute thrill ride. Des is the hero we never knew we needed, the most exciting new character I've ever read in years. A flat out high speed winner. I loved it. And then it says, what a welcome blast of freshness. Great plot, great pacing, and a voice that jumps off the page. And what a ride, it says, feeling chilling, thrilling, real. So that was everything that it said about it, which sounds really good. There was one more, fast blast of pure fun. Des is smart, funny, and endlessly capable. And this book, it does say, would retail for $27.99, so we do have a value on that, and my box was $50, and I think I got my money's worth. As a recap, we have The Gatekeeper by James Byron. We have these beautiful wiggle candles that I can use with my new candlestick holders. I'm so excited about that. We got our Laura Geller Body Glow. It can be face and body glow. We got our shampoo bar and conditioners. I got this Glytone Vitamin C with the elements in it to need to make the C work. Yay! And then we got this 500-piece puzzle to put together during the holidays. When you got all that company, that's fun to have around. We got these beautiful wool socks, and we got this nice little scarf, shawl, blanket, practically, whatever you want to use it for. And it might have a little wool in it too. It's really warm. This will be good for them chilly days. This was an excellent box. So you tell me, what's your favorite item? My favorite item, because it was such a nice surprise, was these candles. This Laura Geller Body Glow and Face Glow is really beautiful. And I've already told you I like the cream. And I can't make up my mind. You're going to get tired of me saying that. The scarf is pretty, and the book sounds very intriguing. Have you read The Gatekeeper? Would this be something of your favorites? You let me know what's your favorite, and would you be interested in getting the girlfriend box? I think it's a great value. So if you think it's a value for you, just go over and check out their site. Like I said, I don't know of any specials that are going on right now. If I do hear or see any on Facebook before I get this uploaded, I'll be sure and add that to my description. But right now, that's all I know, and that's all I have of the Relax and Radiate Crate the Girlfriend box by AARP. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. We have the TEMU DIY Advent Calendar. That is a do-it-yourself Advent calendar with 7 giveaways. We have Mary Catherine Loves Cats, Reviews with Sue, Favorites with Laura, Laura Wooten Reviews, Katie's Corner of the World, and the host is Jessie Miller with Jessie Miller Unboxings and more. So those are our 7 channels, including me. And be sure and check out everybody's channel. There are different rules in that. You do have to comment on each video along with whatever their code word may be, and you do have to be publicly subscribed to all channels. I'll have the playlist down in my description. We also will have the Dollar Tree train either out or coming out. I'm not sure when this video will post, and there are 11 chances to win in the Dollar Tree train collaboration. And once again, and if it's out, I'll have the link down in my description. Any and other all giveaways will be there. Plus, I do have a surprise giveaway that I have floating around out there. You would just have to be watching that video to find out which one it is. But as for today and the girlfriend box with AARP Relax and Radiate Crate, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.